Hi, this is a video on a natural way to kill worms, fleas, any parasites that's on your cat or dog. Now, this is my little spink Sophia. Oh, I must be scratching. Now, everybody knows that I have 10 cats, Maine Coons and 2 dogs, and so obviously it's going to be a lot of money to spend on worm and flea treatment, so this is a natural way. Okay, so this is it, what I buy off Amazon. I can't really say it, it's dye Artemisious earth. Now be very, very careful. This is extremely important. As you can see, it says food grade, fresh water source. Now the food grade is that humans can have it. It's for us to detox whatever you mix it with water and you drink, and it's supposed to do humans good. So you can also use it on yourself. It's going to not harm no one. It's all natural food grade, because there's lots of DE, as they say it is, but it's a must to get the food grade. Now I'll show you what it's like. It's fine powder. Now what I'm going to do is, here I've got my fine powder. Now I've just hoovered all my cat tree, so I'm going to sprinkle at the corners, as you can see. I'm going to sprinkle here, and need a little bit more, so get me DE food grade, and then I will sprinkle in the corners, sprinkle all in the corners, and they spend a lot of time in here, so I'm going to put quite a lot in there, and I'll put some up there, yeah, so there. Now what I'm going to do now is just go and rub this in, because apparently I don't think it's very good that they breathe it in. So if you just rub it in like that, and then the cats will just now what I do for the bed in here is I put it down the cracks, right down the cracks there, and basically put it in all the bedding, down the cracks in the bedding, put it on me cat trees, and it's supposed to kill any parasites. Now also what you can do is, when you give them food, it's better if you give them wet food, then you mix a little bit in the wet food, and that's supposed to kill any parasites that are inside the body. But putting it on their bedding, apparently fleas will just dry up when they go anywhere near this DE. So if a flea goes on that, it won't survive. So here it is again. Do not forget, get the food source, and if you look it up on the internet, you can even drink this yourself, and it can clear you out as well. The food grade, I mean, not food source, food grade. I always get mine from Amazon. and I get quite a large jug. It's a 500 g and it's lasts me quite a long time, and as you can see I've used quite a lot because as soon as I wash the bedding in the washer I then put DE all down the sides of the bedding, and when I hoover my cat trees I put DE all on my cat trees. I put it in my outdoor cat aviary, cat enclosure, on the cat trees that are in the cat enclosure. Now you can put it on the cat itself, but I don't generally do that because they say that the fleas don't live on the cat, but I do put it where they lie, and you can put it in your bed. You can basically put it anywhere, and if you've got children, it won't harm your children because it's a food grade and it's pretty safe. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps people with lots of animals like I've got. It turns out to be very expensive to buy the good stuff.